So the Luas trams going down to the Tree Arena, Point Depot, have been resumed a couple of days ago after the enormous amount of engineering work they had to do here because there was a gas fire and it destroyed the underneath the bridge, and they had to replace it. As you can see here, it's the new foundation. So this whole structure was replaced. It's considered unsafe, so they had to replace it completely. Quite an extraordinary job they did. Took a number of months, of course, as you can imagine, infrastructure, but we have the Luas back up and running, up and down here. Very popular line. This is the Grand Canal Basin. Let's check around here. So completely replaced. As you can see. Those boulders are from the canal, from the canal. This section of the canal, it's built about 1790s, I do believe. So this is completely get across here quickly. Show you this side. George's Dock. This has been empty for a number of years. I don't know what the plan is to do here. Oh, there you go. Incredible job they've done.